Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Say hello baby.
Hello baby.
Okay, so today I'm showing you guys what is in my hospital bag. So this is baby's bag. I haven't packed mine yet, but I will do a video on that when I pack. So say hello baby.
Hello baby.
So here I normally pack the things we need to bring the baby out from the theater. So we have I don't know what is this called, shawl. This is a shawl.
Yeah.
We have one pampers. We have socks. I have a cap, and if it's a baby girl, a band around the cap so she looks girly. Then a onesie and an inner. I normally like wearing white. I normally like wearing white whenever they're coming out. Took a red socks, one pamper. So when I'm being rushed in, this is what I will give them to wrap the baby. Now this is a flannel. I don't know if it will be needed, but I chose pink color because look at it, it's so cute.
Mom, what is it?
Then I have this, my methylated spirit. I don't know how to put this so it doesn't pour. And this is cotton wool. So last but not the least, we have this and this as well. This is the under pad. So I always pack this in one nylon and leave it so that nobody goes rummaging through my bags to look for the things I need. Everything is already packed. We just go in with nylon. Now moving on here. Okay, so over here, these are the other things we have in the bag. I normally take feeding bottles just in case I need them. This is a flannel. These are flannels, just extra flannels, an extra shawl, and an extra, it's a shawl too, like a warmer shawl. This is Vaseline. I don't know what I need it for, I'm just putting it there. These are mouth clothes for cleaning the mouth of baby. I hope I took enough. This is a small face towel. This is the towel I got. So just in case we need to take a bath there. Now these are extra stockings and caps. This is the body cream, hair oil, baby sponge, silver bed, cup and spoon. Talking about cup and spoon, I haven't gotten the glucose yet, so I'm going to get glucose. Then this is wipes, extra pampers or extra diapers. I'm using Kiss Kids. You guys must have already seen from the other video I did. This is the baby bath or baby wash. I'm using Baby Secret. And then these are extra clothings. I hope I took enough. Those are onesies. These are onesies, and these are the inners. So guys, that's basically everything in my hospital bag. I'm putting these in. My feeding bottle with the cup. I hope this oil doesn't pour. I don't know if I should just stand it to be safe. This is the extra flannel. I hope these things are not too much. If I pack all these things like this, where do I want to put? Wahala. Maybe I'll drop this. I think I should drop this in the house. Or if I take this, let me drop this. So this is everything. I'm going to tie this up and then put it inside here. So baby's bag is complete.